Hello, my name is B. My birthday is in 2 days on Saturday, so I'm talking about whatever the fuck I want and showing you whatever the fuck I want. So let's get to it. Okay. So the phone I am recording this on is an iPhone 12 mini. It is running iOS 26. The iPhone I have here is an iPhone 12 mini. It is running iOS 18. So the phone that I have right here was made before there was really any mention of Apple Intelligence and before artificial intelligence was all the rage. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I've talked about models before. There is something called an on-device model, and there is something called a cloud model. The cloud is not in heaven. The cloud is in data centers. When people say it's in the cloud, they mean it's on the internet. The internet is a network of computers, and mostly those computers are located in data centers nowadays. Okay, so I'm going to...
5:18 p.m.
First of all, you can tell by the way this looks
5:18 p.m.
that it is iOS 18. So first of all, just the voice that it can generate, that is artificial intelligence. We're going to go... Okay. Turn on airplane mode.
Okay, airplane mode is now on.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is already turned off.
Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the screen for you.
5:19 p.m. Screen curtain on. Screen curtain off.
Okay. Now, the on-device model is the first thing that Siri hits. It asks the on-device model, is this something I can do on the phone, or do I need to go to the cloud server for it? So, if I want to open an app, Facebook.
Alert, turn off airplane settings. Okay, button. Facebook, profile picture, button.
If I want to go to notes, notes.
Notes, all iCloud, back button.
See, those are insanely quick. The on-device model is processing it. Now, if I ask it a more complicated question, it's going to try to go to the cloud. What color is the sky?
To do that, you'll need to turn off airplane mode.
How big are Shaquille O'Neal's feet?
To do that, you'll need to turn off airplane mode.
Okay. Turn off airplane mode.
Okay, I turned airplane mode off.
Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is already turned on.
What color is the sky?
There's no one in your contacts named Color.
Ugh. What color is the sky?
What would you like to know about color?
Dear God, Siri is stupid, but you can see now it is designating it as a more complex question, and it's going to the cloud, and it can't find where the hell it's trying to look for. What is Shaquille O'Neal's...
I didn't get that. Could you try? Shaquille O'Neal. Starbucks, balance, $0. Actions available. Notes, all iCloud, back button.
What is Shaquille O'Neal's shoe size?
The 15-time All-Star wears a size 22? This is from sportscasting.com. All iCloud, back note, empty line.
Open Facebook.
Stories tray, create story, 1 of 8, button,
See,
sound, double tap, and hold for options, adjustable.
See, for you, this all just looks like Siri. But to somebody who actually understands what is going on, it's way more complex than what you think. Okay, so you know when you're typing and it tries to autocomplete whatever word you're typing, or if it tries to guess what phrase you're trying to type, that is an on-device model. It's looking at what you're typing and trying to guess what comes next. And it's not very good because the iPhone 12 mini didn't have an extremely powerful processor or lots of RAM. So, it's not very good. Let's think about, okay, there is a feature in Photos where you can go to search and you can put in ball, and it will bring up every single one of the pictures in your library that has a ball in it. Now, it's doing that on device, okay? It's not going to the cloud for that, so it's not extremely powerful or very accurate, but it does its best job. Let's look at something else. Turn on Wi-Fi? No. Turn Wi-Fi off?
Okay, Wi-Fi is now off.
Turn on airplane mode?
Okay, I turned airplane mode on.
So it has no access to the internet. Open Photos.
Photos, library, button. Adult, video, date, photo, date, screenshot, photo, time, vertical scroll bar, 5 pages, 100%, adjustable.
Okay, so it has no access to the internet, and it's going to read all the text in this photo and try to describe it to me.
Screenshot, time, 3:37 p.m. A screenshot of a smartphone with a photo of a dragonfly on it. Possible text, 3:37. Bullet Siri, post. Brian Groover at blindgroover.x.com. Read about kissing the ring at Diarrhea of a Blind American. Photo, time, 3:34 p.m. A butterfly sitting on a flower.
Okay, what that actually is a picture of a glass-winged butterfly. It is a real thing. It is an image that Gemini created for me. In one picture, it described it as a dragonfly because it's got clear wings. It probably does look like a dragonfly to it. But in this other picture, it described it as a butterfly. Now, you might think that is inconsistent. It is the on-device model doing its best, instantaneously. The iPhone has something called CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs, neural processing units. They've had them for a very long time. They're very good at doing on-device machine learning, which is exactly what this is. Again, this is iOS 18. I'm running an old version because I still have software that is incompatible with 26, and 27 will be coming in the fall. I'm blind, so you don't update until at least the 0.3 update because they break things for VoiceOver, and they don't get around to fixing it for a little while. They worry about the 90-something% first. Who can blame them? Okay, computers are fucking complicated. The world needs to understand how they work. Okay, later y'all.